Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. It's Mamie here. We are on our way to our cruise, and right now we're in Orlando and we're staying at the Hyatt Regency inside the airport. Want to take you on a tour so you can see where you can book as well. We are in 7012 on the 7th floor. 7012 is where we're at. Come on in, let's take a tour. All right, so we're gonna first stop in the bathroom as soon as you come in. And you can see we have the bathroom, nice and spacious. You can come on in and take a look. We have the toilet area here, plenty of room. Just a single sink here. Yeah. And then we're gonna turn around and we do have a tub. Okay, y'all. Show y'all what we got here. Tub. You guys can see what we're working with. And as you see, they do come with the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So that your suite comes with that. Bathtub, shower combo. And then you can kind of take a look. And look at this door here. I really do like the door. Nice glass door, shower, and it's pretty nice. It's nice. Everything's clean. And then also you have a mirror. Y'all see me? All right, so we got a mirror. And then we come over here. And this is where you can, they do have an ironing board. That's nice. They have a light in your closet here. So that's nice for seeing purposes. Then we have place where we can hang up some stuff, as well as some drawers. All right, come on in. They have 2 queen size beds, nice size beds. You can get 4 people in here. And now take a look at this TV, y'all. This TV is a nice size TV. I'm thinking that's probably at least 65 inches. Yeah, that's at least 65 to 70 inches on that television. I'm not sure of the size, but nice, nice. And of course it has, just take a look here. And it does have a phone in here. And it has the night lights to go over the bed where everybody can read, so you don't disturb anybody. So I love that. That's really nice. Okay, and we have some clocks. And it's many, they do have a radio and where you can charge a charge ports here. It's several. It's some on this clock thing here, plug-ins, and also down here. So plenty of extensions. And also, if you see here, we got lights above the bed. That's nice as well. Besides these lights, that's pretty neat. Okay, and keep on going in here, and we have this little stool with a little table. That's nice. And again, it's on the other side, again, with a desk here and a lamp. Nice to, if you got some work or some studying or, you know, anything that you need to do. If you're a content creator such as I, you can work on some edits and all of that right here, y'all. Okay? And then over here, I think this is pretty neat. I like this little thing here. It has a refrigerator. And it's a nice size refrigerator for storing some things. And it comes with some cups and coffee, some water. They have, is this the safe? Yeah. Have a little nice little safe. And some extra bedding there. Okay. And then y'all look here. We have a balcony here where you can open this. If I can open it. Let me see here. I unlocked it. Is it locked? It may be locked. I don't know. Well, y'all can see out here. I don't know. Maybe I need to get the key to unlock that or something. I don't know. Just take a look where you can go out here and you can look down in the hotel. and see what's going on here. Right here in the airport. So that concludes our room tour. This is the Hyatt Regency inside the Orlando Airport, MCO, where you can stay here. The package that I did get, it does include breakfast. So you can have your whole package there, or you can get your breakfast, your hotel stay, and it's a nice place and you don't have to travel far. And then in the morning, we'll get up and we'll take a shuttle right on over to the port. It takes about 45 minutes from here, from the airport in Orlando. So y'all, if you're interested in booking, please look me up. My name is Mamie. My travel agency is Yes I Can Travel. You can find me. My website is mamieharris.intellitravel.com. Should you have any questions, please feel free. Drop me a comment. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.